Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get hours in the date object. So, I've already made this one in the first date tutorial. If you want to check it out, you can check that out. It doesn't have any matter to it. Just I'm giving to you a link, and like the get day, you can also check it out. Do like get hours. So get hours, and I'm gonna log it on the console. Then you can see, log it on a console, and inside that, when we do that, gonna show the hour. It's 23. That means 11 p.m. You know, you don't know. I know you don't know. So yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.